Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring small factory business ideas, focusing on daily use products, promising quick sales. Starting a small factory can be a great way to be your own boss and create products people need every day. So, let's jump right in. First, we have handmade soaps and bath products. Everyone uses soap, and the market for artisan soaps, bath bombs, and related products is booming. You can start this in a small space, with a relatively low initial investment in equipment and ingredients. Quality ingredients and unique scents or designs are key. You can sell online, at local markets, or wholesale to small boutiques. The potential for quick sales is high. Next, consider producing candles. Similar to soaps, candles have consistent demand. Scented candles, especially those made with natural waxes, are incredibly popular. The manufacturing process is straightforward, and you can experiment with different fragrances, containers, and designs. Marketing them online and at craft fairs can lead to fast sales. Another option is manufacturing eco-friendly cleaning products. With growing environmental awareness, there's a huge demand for green cleaning solutions. Create and sell products like dish soap, laundry detergent, and all-purpose cleaners made with natural, biodegradable ingredients. The initial investment might be slightly higher, but the market potential is significant. Focus on effective, safe, and sustainably packaged products. The repeat purchase rate is also high. Let's talk about food products. Starting a small factory to produce food items can be lucrative, but it also comes with more regulations. Consider making sauces and dressings. If you have a unique recipe or focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients, you can find a dedicated customer base. Selling at local grocery stores or farmers markets is a great starting point. Another delicious idea is baking and selling artisanal baked goods. Cookies, bread, pastries, everyone loves them. You'll need to adhere to food safety regulations, but the demand for delicious, freshly baked goods is always there. Consider specializing in a specific type of baked good or catering to dietary needs, such as gluten-free or vegan options. Now, let's move on to reusable shopping bags and tote bags. With the focus on reducing plastic waste, reusable bags are increasingly in demand. You can create a variety of bags using different fabrics, colors, and designs. They are relatively inexpensive to produce, and the demand is high. Selling them at local stores, online, or even partnering with local businesses can guarantee quick sales. Finally, producing custom stickers and labels. Many businesses and individuals need these. With a printer, you can easily start this small factory. You'll need to invest in the right materials and software. Offering a range of options can lead to many customers. So there you have it, a range of small factory business ideas that focus on daily use products and quick sales. Remember, success depends on careful planning, high-quality products, and effective marketing. Do your research, create a solid business plan, and stay passionate about your product. Thanks for watching, and good luck.